Hey Saffies, so as you saw in my last video, we're playing scary games. So today, Saffies, I decided, why not let Rin,
Hey, wait, can you start?
Yes. So I'm gonna let Rin choose what games we play today. So yeah.
Today we play a scary game with me, Rin, because
No.
not scary.
Yes.
Rin. Rin, I know, this is a one-player game. All the scary games are one-player games.
Well, then let's do it, but we'll get the same experience.
Yeah. We can also do different experiences. After we can try and find those.
Okay, just
Okay,
join one. Join it. Join it.
I joined the Rin.
Okay, join it, cause I wanna join.
This is a one-player game.
I know, but I want to join the game so I can play for the video. Also, guys, go subscribe to Rin's channel. It'll be in the title of the video. If you don't, subscribe to her, then, I'm going to eat all your beans and, cry at you. So, yeah. Okay, anyways. Wow. Okay, then. Okay, anyways. Okay. Are you gonna join a game or not? Hello? You joining the game yet? Oop, I think her phone died. Well, guys, change of plans. Time for something fun. Total drama. I win. No, wait. Did I spell it right? Yeah, I think so. Wait. Drama. Total Island. That's hilarious. Total drama. Total Drama Island.
Oh my.
It's here. And who's the guy? Well, too bad. My video. Not into this video. I said to subscribe to Rin because she is playing with me today. But since she's not here right now. So when you do a video with me, I will. But
Since your face.
okay. So
Okay, Leo, that is loud.
I know. Why is it so joiny, Bean? There's a racist dang. Whoa. Okay, sorry, that was a rude joke. Shouldn't have said that. Rats? Oh my god. Who? Okay, everyone's probably gonna vote her out. Like, guaranteed gonna vote her out. Oh my god, it's the dude. Hi, dude. See, blue people, don't be racist to them. I mean, look how beautiful this man is. look at this beauty. I want to be Gwen. No, wait, Gwen's ugly. No. Help me. I want to be Bridget. Let me be Bridget. Please. I want to be Owen. What do you mean? Dude. How do I do this?
You have to pet one person.
Oh my god.
You're DJ.
Ew. It's not because of the skin tone. It's just, look how ugly this man is. Gwen is there. Man, so I seriously, dude. So I have to buy, bruh. Lashana! Oh my god! Wait. I'm gonna say something. Oh my god. I was about to say I'm your biggest fan, but now that I think about it, never mind.
Who is she?
Because I'm gonna sound weird. Lashana! I want to act like I'm your biggest fan. Oh god. Oh, I can just tell Owen's gonna be horrible at this.
Who?
Owen, the guy next to Courtney. Oh my god, by the way, a lot of flamingo referencing and like voice acting in this video may pop up here and there. Quite a lot because flamingo addiction.
If you get hit, why do you die if you get hit?
Because the game's weird. Bean. Haha, Cody. Oh my god. I thought is Kobe Bryant in the server? I probably just said that wrong, and I'm probably gonna offend a lot of people. So, I'm really sorry. I think it's Kobe Bryant. I'm sorry. I'm not sure.
Jump in the pond.
Also, R.I.P. to him. Oh god.
I knew that was gonna happen.
And also Gigi. Kobe and Gigi. R.I.P. sisters. What? Oh yeah, by the way guys, we're here with Billy again. I'm playing as an ugly character.
You're the DJ.
Just because of the fashion style, okay? Not because of the skin tone, like I said. It's just the face and the clothing that triggers me. Especially just the name. Okay, sorry to anybody that, looks and, has the same name as this. We're on the orange team, I just realized. Orange! Go orange! Sorry, I love orange. Lashana is,
Orange! You're orange!
Lashana deserves to be the most famous woman in the world. She looks like Lizzo, and she is absolutely killing it. I'm totally joking. But yeah.
You're just saying, like, I farted, what? Ew. A guy just said I farted.
Courtney's just chilling back here. Let me up, sister. Let me up.
Chris!
Chris is in there. Oh wait, isn't that like the really mean Kimp guide?
Huh.
Dude, I've never watched Total Drama Island, so I have no idea who any of these characters are.
Sadie!
Can you guys turn that movie down? I'm trying to make a video. Hello?
Turn that damn thing down.
Can you turn the video down? I'm trying to record a video.
God, turn that down.
Turn it down. Turn it down.
No.
Yes.
No.
Turn it down.
No.
Now.
No. We're legit just sitting on here.
Okay, the voting has commenced and I'm scared. I haven't said anything. I'm really suspicious. Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious. Who do I want to vote?
Don't vote you.
I'm voting Gwen. Cause she's scared.
You're scared.
I received the vote. So I got the grapes. Okay. I'm really scared. I'm really scared, guys. I'm really scared. This is really scary.
Sit now.
Owen. And the final marshmallow of the night goes to... Am I finna die?
Yes!
No, she survived.
Oh no.
She just survived. No! 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 The first time I play this and I'm about to die.
Yeah. It's actually dead by
No! No. DJ, I don't even know who DJ is.
either. Why are we here?
Campers, say your goodbyes. Wait,
Bye.
who? Oh, okay.
Who's going?
One dude.
Wait, that guy's so blue. You're happy, but you didn't smoke.
Yeah, but I'm trying to act sad so that way no one thinks I'm suspicious.
Just say I'm a YouTuber. I am YouTuber.
Duncan. They fixed him. They fixed the hair. He doesn't have the ugly blockhead from Flamingo's video. A boom mic is something, it's a fuzzy microphone that they hate.
DJ.
Then why'd you just ask what it was? Sorry guys. Hi rats.
Hi, rats. Excuse me, Sadie's a rat.
Yeah.
No, Sadie in the game. Your name is right here, and she actually looks like you, but you're blonde. Jeez.
Welcome to Pink.
Sorry, you're younger.
They have a bigger team than us. They have a better advantage. Oh my god.
No fair.
No. Lashana has been taken to the side of the evil. I need to stop this.
What do you need to do?
Well, Lashana's dead. We know that.
I'm good at opposite.
Because she's on the the stupid team.
I'm good at opposite courses. Let me do it. Hi guys. You can even get up. You can even get up one.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, guys, I gotta end it off. I gotta end it off here, cause my recording time is almost maxed out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Good. Bye bye.